Education is a growing problem in third world countries. Over 120 million children around the world are not in school right now. In Pakistan, there is undoubtedly no availability of basic schooling to the majority of children. This majority belongs to the lower class of society and is deprived of the basic need of today's world: education. To provide a cost-free education system to the masses was Mr. Syed Safi Mustapha's dream. He wanted these underprivileged children to reap the benefits of being educated and experience a better life. He was a flight lieutenant in Pakistan Air Force and was awarded Sitara Jurat for his bravery. After his death in the 1971 war, his wife, Mrs. Shabina Mustapha, started to look for ways to accomplish this task and make her husband's dream a reality.
मैं पहले इसी स्कूल में पढ़ती थी। अब मैं मैडम की तरफ से DA नीलम हाई स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ और हम जब यहाँ पढ़ते थे हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। इतनी ज़्यादा हमें इंग्लिश आती है जितनी उर्दू नहीं आती है। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई स्कूल, द गर्ल्स स्कूल, एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई टीचर्स एंड माई मैडम.
These underprivileged children come from various locations such as Neelam Colony, Shah Rasool Colony, Korangi and Mahmoodabad. But the majority come from the neighborhood area. These localities touch the heart instantly. Living in 8 by 10 foot houses where there is no availability of water along with 5 to 6 people is a story in itself. Some of the fathers are drug addicts, others at least are chain smokers and regular consumers of gutka.
My name is Anil Prakash Singh. I was a student of the Garage School. Now I am studying in the NASA School in class 9 and I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor because I want to serve my country.
A single working woman founded the Garage School in 1999 with about 15 children of her own compound. She started working on this project on a small scale and her basic aim was to create a realization for the importance of education in society. The primary aim of this foundation was to look after the academic, medical and social well-being of the underprivileged children of its vicinity.
I am Balbir Singh. I used to study in the Garage School. Now I am admitted in NASA School.
The idea of a cost-free educational system had already evolved in Mrs. Shabina's mind. But what put this idea into action was the refusal of a maid's daughter in sewing classes merely because she could not read or write. She opened up a classroom in her own garage to provide the young girl with basic education. More children from her locality joined her, and from then on, there was no looking back, and the Garage School was established.
Miss Tyra, I have been a regular teacher last 5 years. I am very grateful to Dr. Khalid Bamba who takes our students for their medical checkup. Mr. Jimmy Engineer who invited us to various places.
They teach children simple reading and writing skills in Urdu and English and easy arithmetic. They also make them aware of social etiquette and basic hygiene, along with providing them with free clothing, stationery and books. Their aim also includes counseling services for children to furnish them with a sense of security, encouragement, hope and confidence. These children are also taught social and religious tolerance, respect for human rights, and the importance of caring for other individuals. Taking them out on educational visits helps them in understanding what they are learning at school and also give them an opportunity to meet new people.
My name is Saira. I'm a volunteer teacher at the Garage School. I came here about a year ago and I saw how Ms. Shabina has developed this school, and I was extremely impressed with the way these children have really learned a lot. They've been able to, many of them have gotten admitted into regular schools, and I was extremely impressed and I was very interested in helping out in any way I could. And since I finished school, college, I finished my degree, I was back in Pakistan and I really wanted to do something for the community, and so I decided to teach at the Garage School.
The greatest achievement of the Garage School was in 2003 when 8 of its students got admission in Nasra School and 6 in DA Neelam Colony School. Up till now, 55 students have been successfully admitted in formal registered schools.
I essentially teach whichever class needs a teacher at the moment, because since we basically work on volunteer teaching teachers, sometimes it's not the most reliable. But so I teach the morning shift and I teach the afternoon shift. I teach English, it's mostly English, math and science. The student-teacher relationship is very dynamic. Some days you have to be more strict, some days you know, the children listen and they do their work, but mostly they're very hard-working kids.
Since November 2003, the school has completed hepatitis B vaccination for 62 students, has blood grouping done for the newly admitted students, distributed vitamins and sewing machines donated by Roche, succeeded by English Biscuits, providing the children with biscuits every day, and ID cards have been made for all the students with the essential information like blood group and hemoglobin on it.
German Consulate has been a big help in helping us achieve a little green lawn for the children to run around. Indus Motors have been very, very generous. We always had a problem of sending the girl students to various schools in public transport. They have been very kind. They have given us a school van, which now has made things easier for the girls to go to school.
The Garage School has also acquired the services of 4 volunteers who teach children English, arithmetic, arts and crafts, sewing, crochet, macrame and flower arrangement. Tahira is the full-time teacher whose salary is being sponsored by one of the donors, and in these 5 years she has only taken 3 days off. A proper fiberglass board had been put up in class and books have been donated by Happy Home School. Books have also been donated by Sheraton Hotel Karachi along with 6 bicycles. They have also tiled the Garage School floor.
तालीम जो हासिल कर रहे हैं उससे फ़र्क नज़र आ रहा है, थोड़ी तमीज़ इनमें आई है, थोड़ी मतलब जो जहालत थी वो ख़त्म हुई है, पढ़ाई लिखाई से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ गया है, थोड़ी बच्चों में उठने बैठने की तमीज़ है, पढ़ाई में भी। और मैं तो कहती हूँ इस स्कूल में जितनी इनको बच्चों को तमीज़ मिली है शायद किसी और स्कूल में मिला था। गराज स्कूल में तहरा ये फ़र्क था कि यहाँ पे इस स्कूल में अक्सर कोई क्लास मखसूस नहीं थी, वहाँ जो है क्लास मखसूस है कि भाई वहाँ बच्चा पढ़ रहा है उसको आगे क्लास चल रहा है, तो हमें पता लग रहा है कि हमारा बच्चा पहली से या दूसरी में गया, दूसरी से तीसरी में गया। इसमें ये पढ़ाई थी लेकिन इसमें हमें ये मालूम नहीं चल रहा था हमारा बच्चा आगे कौन सी क्लास में जा रहा है। ठीक है, पढ़ाई यहाँ पे वैसे ही हो रही थी जैसे नासरा स्कूल में हो रही है, वही सब कुछ सीख रहे थे, लेकिन हमें ये नहीं पता लगता था बच्चा इस साल में हमारे बच्चा कौन सी क्लास में जाएगा। नासरा स्कूल में ये पता लगा कि भैया हमारा बच्चा दूसरी में से अब तीसरी में गया। जितना भी बोला जाए कम है, पहले के अदनान में और अब के अदनान में बहुत फ़र्क है। यहाँ मैं ये कहती हूँ कि यहाँ जितने भी मोहल्ले में ताहरा बच्चे स्कूल में जाते हैं ना, उनके लिहाज से मेरे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं, पढ़ाई में भी हर बात में।
When children enroll in the school, a proper health checkup is carried out, which includes the ENT test. This checkup is 100% free and a proper health file is maintained by the Garage School. Moreover, blood tests and hemoglobin tests are also done. Because of these tests, 4 children have had their ear operation. One had an operation for her appendicitis, and another, who had night blindness, had an eye operation. Every year, these children get vaccinated for hepatitis B and typhoid. As the Garage School feels responsible towards these neglected children of our society. Health is given great importance, and since many children are addicted to supari and colored goalies, their pockets are checked every day, and they are not allowed to bring money to school, as they will purchase these items on their way back home.
मैडम शबीना ने इसका इलाज ना हॉस्पिटल में शुरू करवाया और आगा खान में भी लेके गए, उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया। मतलब इसके लिए हर एक बेटे को बेटी को वो प्यार करती हैं, उनके लिए तो अपने बच्चों की तरह बल्कि उनसे भी बढ़कर वो चाहती हैं, करती हैं प्यार। पहले जब जाता था ना तो वहाँ पे इंग्लिश पढ़ाते थे, ठीक है, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है आप लोगों का स्कूल, ठीक है, और फिर बैठने का तरीका, उठने का तरीका, बात करने का तरीका, तमीज़ का, मतलब हर एक बात में उसको जो गराज स्कूल में उसको सब कुछ मिला है। उसको जहाँ पहले जाता था उसको नहीं कुछ समझ आती थी कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं। टीचर भी आकर मुझे कहती थी कि भाई ये पढ़ता तो है लेकिन इसको कुछ आता नहीं है। गिराज स्कूल के बारे में तो मैं ये कहूँगी कि गिराज स्कूल बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है। ये मतलब जो कुछ मैडम ने शबीना ने शुरू किया गरीबों के लिए, मैडम मुस्तफ़ा शबीना ने जो कुछ शुरू किया बहुत अच्छा इंतज़ाम किया। वो मतलब दुनिया में उनका नाम हमेशा रहेगा कर सकता। आज की दुनिया में तो लोग इतने खुद गर्ज हो गए, इतने मतलब वो हो गए कि अपने के अलावा वो किसी और को समझना नहीं चाहते, ठीक है। जो हमारे रिश्तेदार हैं, जो हमारे लोग, उन्होंने वो सब कुछ नहीं किया जो मैडम ने किया। इनके यूनिफॉर्म, इनके जूते, मोज़े, हर चीज़ का उन्हें फ़िक्र है, बीमारी का फ़िक्र है, और खाने पीने का दूध बिस्किट हर एक चीज़ वहाँ से न मिलती रही है सैमियल। मुझे लगता है जहाँ तक कि सैमियल ज़िंदगी में कामयाब होगा।
The Garage School also takes pride in taking these children who are deprived of all the luxuries on various trips, which not only helps them interact with people, but also helps them in understanding the things around them. They have visited the Karachi Zoo, Qaid's Mazar, Wetland Center and Cherry Ritchie's Magic Show. They have gone to Papa Saleh's for lunch and had fun at Aladdin Water Park. These children have been invited by Sheraton Hotel Karachi for the inauguration ceremony of their 8th floor and also participated in a 3-day art festival at Sheraton. Furthermore, these children have visited places out of Karachi as well. They have been to Lahore courtesy of Shaheen Air International, and recently Air Blue arranged a trip for these children to Nawab Shah.
बच्चों का फर्क ये पड़ रहा है, बच्चों की डाइट बढ़ रही है हमारी, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चों जो एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ इधर हमारा गलती करने से बेहतर है। गिराज स्कूल से एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, स्टैंडर्ड बन रहा है, बड़ी है, उनको गाइड किया गया है, जो स्कूल के हिसाब से होता है। अगर हम छोटे स्कूल में डालेंगे उसके हिसाब से उसको गाइड नहीं कहेंगे। बड़े स्कूल में ये होता है कि गिराज स्कूल ने हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा ये जरिया बनाया है। ये जितना हमारा स्टैंडर्ड, हम स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से बच्चों को तालीम नहीं दे सकते। गिराज स्कूल का जो मसला है कि उनके पास जगह छोटी है, इनके हिसाब से वो बच्चों को ज़्यादातर गाइड नहीं कर सकते। एक ये, दूसरा उनके लिए मसला ये कि उनके लिए 2 शिफ्टें लगानी पड़ती है, 3 शिफ्टें की सिस्टम लगानी पड़ती है सब। उनको जगह ब्लॉक है, बनाएंगे वाले उनकी जगह बड़ी हो, वो बच्चे बढ़ाएं इस चीज़ में कि बच्चों दूसरे बच्चों को चांस मिले।
यानी कि मैडम के लिए बहुत अच्छी इनको मिली है, तालीम भी अच्छा वगैरह दे रही, तमीज़ वगैरह सब अच्छी दे रही।
10-15 साल हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट कर रही है।
When there is an occasion to celebrate, big celebration parties are organized for them. Birthdays are celebrated with proper birthday gifts and cakes. Mrs. Shabina's birthday is one of the biggest events. Apart from birthdays, Eid is celebrated with much enthusiasm, where clothes are stitched personally by Mrs. Shabina and are gift wrapped with ribbons and matching bangles and shoes. These children are taken to weekly markets to choose their own shoes and bangles. This involves their likes and dislikes and also gives them a chance to enjoy Eid shopping, which they cannot otherwise. There are 4 religions interacting with each other on a daily basis in Mrs. Shabina's school. And so, other occasions like Easter, Christmas, Diwali, etc. are also celebrated with the same fervor.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया है, बहुत बच्चों को तवज्जो दे रही है, आगे कर रही है, बच्चों को अच्छी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, अच्छी तवज्जो दे रहे हैं, बच्चों को सब का उन्होंने खर्चा वर्चा सब उठा रहे हैं।
इनको गिराज स्कूल में जाके ज़्यादा अच्छी तालीम भी आई है, उनको अच्छा बोलना भी आया है, जबकि पहले वो वाले स्कूल में पढ़ते थे वो कुछ अच्छा नहीं था। बहुत खुश हूँ कि अपनी मेरी सिस्टर जा रही हैं, फॉरेन में जा रही हैं, मेरे बहन भाई को अच्छी तालीम आ गई है, बैठना उठना अच्छा आता है, मतलब आ गया है, गिराज स्कूल में जाके आया है, और दूसरों के साथ बात करना अच्छा आ गया है, वरना इनको बिल्कुल बात करनी नहीं आती थी किसी के साथ, बहुत बदतमीजी से पेश आते थे।
The Garage School students have been successfully admitted to formal registered schools for further studies. These schools are Nasra School System, St. Patrick's Technical and Vocational Training School, St. Peter's Primary School, and DA Neelam Colony School, respectively. More than half of these students are top achievers in their respective classes. More efforts are being made to send students to these institutions for formal schooling.
We had about 4 children then, and today we have about 86 children in the school. Perhaps try to get them into a regular formal system of schools.
A small exhibition was held a few years back as a fundraising activity. It was a handicraft exhibition where things made by the students were displayed. Thus, exposing this young talent to the public. Funds are also collected through donations made either in the form of money or products. A van has been donated to the Garage School by Toyota Motors, and English Biscuits have been associated with the Garage School for a long time now, providing biscuits to the underprivileged children every day.
बहुत अच्छा क्योंकि मैं पहले यहाँ पर पढ़ती थी, अब पढ़ाती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैंने जिस तरह की नॉलेज ली या कुछ पढ़ा वैसे मैं बच्चों
Currently, the Garage School immediately needs a qualified teacher, fluent in English, along with one assistant teacher. They also need sponsors for these teachers' salaries and sponsors to support 5 children for basic computer training at a formal computer institution. Also, additional computers for in-house computer familiarization are required.
पहले ये स्टडी सही नहीं करती थी, अब काफ़ी गैराज स्कूल में जाके स्टडी सही करने लग गई है, इंग्लिश बोलने लग गई है।
पहले स्कूल में पढ़ रहे थे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं था, लेकिन अभी पढ़ रहे हैं तो गैराज में भी अच्छा पढ़ा रहे हैं। उसके बाद मैडम ने दूसरे स्कूलों में डाल दिया, वो भी अच्छा है।
Moreover, continued vaccination against basic diseases, sponsors for field trips to nearby historic sites, sponsors for educational visits by air, donation of educational material including video cassettes, and free space in shops where the Garage School children's handicrafts could be displayed and sold are also essential requirements by Mrs. Shabina Mustafa at the moment. Other things to necessitate an improved life for these children are skilled volunteers for vocational training, industries to take in apprentices for on-job training, sponsors for adopting a child or family for their education and well-being, sponsors to fund doctors' visits until they have their own mobile dispensary.
यानी इतने हम माँ बाप इतना ख्याल नहीं करते जितना वो ख्याल करते, बल्कि उनका कहना है कि मेरा ख्याल है कि मैं इनको चाहती हूँ कि ये बच्चे आगे बढ़ें और आगे बढ़कर जो है ना यानी अपना माँ बाप का मेरा और मुल्क का नाम रोशन करें। मतलब बच्चों में ये फ़र्क महसूस होता है कि पहले वो पढ़ाई जो कर रहे थे ना 2-3 साल से वो इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, लेकिन अभी जो गहरे स्कूल से इन्होंने स्टार्ट लिया ना वो बहुत अच्छा है। यानी काफ़ी मतलब उनकी समझ में आया, पढ़ाई लिखाई है, इंग्लिश लिखते हैं, बोलते भी हैं और यानी उम्मीद है कि हम आगे वाले सालों में तकरीबन ये अच्छे हो जाएंगे। हम तो बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहे हैं, यानी कि बड़ा अच्छा कि हमारे बच्चे वहाँ जा रहे हैं, वो एक बड़ा हाई स्टैंडर्ड का स्कूल है। हम तो गरीब आदमी हैं, मतलब हम हमारे अलावा और बहुत सारे गरीब हैं जो यानी गैर स्कूल से वो बच्चे तलीम हासिल कर रहे हैं। वैसे अगर वो गैर स्कूल ना होता तो हम हो सकता कि हम हमारे बच्चे ना पढ़ सकते, क्योंकि हम इतनी सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते बच्चों की, क्योंकि हमारी पहली भी 2 बच्चियाँ ऐसे ही रह गई हैं। इसके तो हमारे पास इतने अल्फाज है ही नहीं है कि हम उसको इतना वो बहुत ही एक तारीफ के लायक है मैडम। तो हमारी भी उम्र है, हम तो यही कहेंगे तो हम बच्चों अपने को नहीं पढ़ा सकते, हम तो छोटे स्कूल में भी नहीं पढ़ा सकते, इतने हम कमज़ोर आदमी हैं, क्योंकि हमारी आमदनी इतनी नहीं है। तो हम तो इधर हैदराबाद नहीं जा सकते, नवाबशाह तो उससे दूर है और फिर जहाज़ में।
Mrs. Shabina's future plans list has more teachers on it as a priority. Having more teachers in the future is what she is currently working at. Additional teachers will mean moving into a bigger area, because right now these children study in a small garage or sit under a tree and learn. One thing leads to another. Moving into a better quality area is included in her future plan, which also includes a ration shop and utility store in the same area for these children and their families.
That people may have the opinion, but they cannot say that I should only bring these children up in their environment. You will see the environment, but I'm sure at one point, with the help of everybody, my children will improve and they will stand out. And it's a challenge to the world I am putting up, that I will see one day they will stand up and do what they want to do. They will all stand on their feet, they will all do good jobs, and I am the motivating force.
Her future plans constitute of a family-oriented program, which means she is planning to move a step further and cater to the family needs of her students. She aims at providing an improved life for them, which will benefit this generation and the generation yet to come.
People have to come and see my school. I invite people to come and see my school. That I'm a very, very, very small drop in the ocean. I'm nothing. But they must come and visit me because my aims are very high and I want people to come and help me to reach my goals and improve me and do what they can to help me and help better Pakistan.
The future plans for the Garage School consists of additional teachers, moving into a bigger space, having a utility store in the same area for the students and their families, and last but not the least, catering to the family needs of the student through a family-oriented program.